Welcome to the ecoPartner portal. This video will provide you with a basic overview of how the ecoPartner portal can help you engage with your customers and open up new opportunities. With this tool, you'll be able to easily store and share documentation to help you communicate with your customers in the most effective way possible. Upon logging in, you will find the Home tab where you can find recent news, new documents, and the latest notifications. In the Account tab, you can find and manage your account settings and personal data. This is a great way to keep track of your account and make sure that your personal information is accurate and up to date. Here you can also find your personal passport to success. In the top left corner, you'll find a menu of external links including the quoting tool, CRM Dynamics, and M&S Dashboard Intuitive. These are all great resources that can help you get the most out of your sales process. The Library tab is great for finding marketing materials, brochures, promotional flyers for new features, and new versions and updates for delivery. The Eco Folder tab is where you can create and manage your eco folders and ecoPacks. And on the Quotes tab, you can easily reference and follow up on all your active quotes. This makes it easy to monitor the progress of your projects and make sure that everything is on track. ecoPartner portal, the easiest way to share information and opportunities on the go.